It's Miss Konar here, and I'm here to show you how to create your alphabet in Photopea. So, which is the second step of our project. What you'll do is go to, I'll go to Google, and I already have one open, but I'll show you www.photopea.com, P-E-A for pea, like the vegetable. And you'll get this. So it's very similar to Photoshop, which is, hopefully someday we will get that, but for today, what you're gonna do is go ahead and file and new. We're creating a new file here, and we're gonna go ahead and change this to, let's do, because if I do print these for you, it'll be 8.5 by 11 inches, and we'll change this pixels to inches. And we'll have to change this again, 8.5, 8.5 to 11 inches. And DPI is digital pixels per inch. We'll leave it at 72 for this. And the background, if you want to choose a different color, they have black, transparent, and custom. Let's create, I personally want to create a custom color. So I kind of want a teal blue to match what my letters have in them. I think we'll do a little bit lighter version. You can adjust this later too, and hit OK, and then create. So I have a nice blue background, which is similar to my letters that I created here at home. And what you're going to do is go ahead, I need to edit this one, but this is my first letter. I'm going to go ahead and click on edit and copy, and then I'm going to create a new one since I need to edit this one a little bit. File new, that's fine. Ooh. So I have two, if you look at the top, there's two the exact same. New project, new project. Okay, so I'm going to click on the second one. I'm going to go ahead and Command V, and I believe on your computer it will be Control V for a copy or paste. And then what you'll do is edit, or actually file, no, it is under edit, I apologize guys, edit free transform. And you see my photo is a lot bigger than the area, so I'm going to squeeze in with my two fingers on my keypad and then squish it in. Then I'll go back in. I'm going to do this. Oops. Still want to see most of that. I'm going to try to fill the area with the letter itself, and I'm going to stretch it out a little. And then once you're done editing, you hit the confirm, which is a check button up here at the top. I am going again to select the entire photo. And then copy and go back to the original project and paste. And I'm going to edit, free transform, and then I'm going to basically spend most of my time with this project. Definitely want to change the color of the background. I'm not a huge fan. But from here, I'm just go ahead and leave the A there. I'm going to go grab my B. And I'm going to use edit and copy. I'm going to do a couple for you guys so you guys can see what I'm up to. And then edit and paste. You can also do this that way. It may take a moment for it to load because these are large pictures for this area. Alright, and then edit, free transform, and then I'm going to squeeze out. You can flip your image. Hold on, it's taking its time. There we go. And then I'm going to squeeze it all the way in. I keep free transforming and drag it in all around where I need it to be. I'm going to squeeze way in so we can see what I'm doing here. Oop, a little too much. And what I'm going to try to do is match the same size as the letter A. Coming in here, I'm going to squeeze in a little bit so I can see better. So here, and it looks pretty good. All right. You kind of guys get the idea. I'll do one more just in case you need that information real quick on letter C. And you continue to do this through the whole process. I'm going to edit this photo. Again, I needed to crop a little bit before I sent it to myself. But I'm going to go ahead and copy this, edit copy. And I'm going to go into this second new project and I'm going to paste in here. It'll take a minute for it to load. Again, it's a lot of info. Our cameras take a lot of data. Are we there yet? I don't know if it worked. So I'm going to go ahead and file new. So I'll create a third project. Command V. Nope. I must have did the wrong thing. Edit. Copy. Edit. Paste. There we go. All right. And again, edit and free transform. And squeeze out if you need to. And on a Mac keypad, you can squeeze your two fingers together. I'm not 100% sure how it works on. Let me, a Chromebook. We'll figure that out together tomorrow when we're working on this. All right, I'm gonna squeeze this out. I think I will. All right, and that looks pretty good. And I'm going to squeeze it in, and I'm going to select the whole photo again. So when you want to select something, you can use rectangle select tool and fill the frame. Again, copy, and then go over and paste. I'm using shortcuts. If you need to, you can do it the old-fashioned way. All right, so again, we're going to free transform this. And make it nice and small to match the other letters. Drag this all around. All right. And that is the last one I'll do for you guys in this time frame. I will have this hopefully put together for you, if not during class tomorrow, by the end of class, by Thursday, so you guys can see exactly how this works. So again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I want the full alphabet. If you want to put a color in there, you can. If you want to make it colorful in any way you want to, you're welcome to. You can change the background and all that good stuff. And once you are finished putting your whole alphabet together, you'll hit File and Export. And I would go ahead and export it as a JPEG, which is JPG. File, Export again, and hit Save. And it'll download to a new project. I've done a lot of projects on here. So once you open that, you can go ahead and save it and submit it to me on Canvas. All right, so I would put your name on here. Say Konar alphabet. All right, .jpg. And I would save it to your desktop so it's super easy to find. And then enter. All right, and send that to me. Oh, I forgot the PH. Anyway, You guys know what you're up to, and if you have any questions or problems, I'll be around helping you guys as you work. Alright guys, this is what you're up to, and I hope it works out well. I can't wait to see your final projects.